My name is Zane. For many years, I believed life had to move fast. Everything around me was fast. People spoke fast. People walked fast. People worked fast. Even the internet was fast. If a video took more than a few seconds to load, I became impatient. If results did not come quickly, I felt frustrated. My daily routine became a race. Wake up quickly, eat quickly, study quickly, finish tasks quickly. But even though everything moved quickly, I did not feel peaceful. My mind always felt tired. One day, something unusual happened. My father asked me to visit my grandfather in the village. The village was very different from the city. There were fewer cars, less noise, and the air felt fresh. The first morning there, I woke up early. The sun was rising slowly over the fields. My grandfather was sitting outside, drinking tea. He was not in a hurry. He simply watched the morning. Birds were singing in the trees. The wind moved gently through the plants. Everything felt calm. I sat beside him. After a few minutes, I asked, "Grandfather, why are you sitting here so quietly?" He smiled and said, "I am enjoying the morning." I looked around and said, "But you do this every day." He laughed softly. "Yes," he said, "that is why I enjoy it." His answer confused me. In the city, people rarely stop to enjoy small moments. Everyone was busy moving to the next task. Later that day, I helped my grandfather in the garden. He moved slowly but carefully. He watered the plants one by one. He examined the leaves. He removed small weeds from the soil. It took time, but he seemed happy. At one point I asked, "Why don't you finish this work quickly?" He replied, "Plants do not grow faster if I rush. Some things in life require patience." Those words stayed in my mind. When I returned to the city, I started noticing something. Most of my stress came from rushing. Rushing to finish, rushing to succeed, rushing to reach the future. But life is not only about reaching the future. It is also about experiencing the present. So I made small changes. When I studied English, I stopped rushing through lessons. I focused on understanding each sentence. When I walked outside, I noticed the sky and the trees. When I spoke with friends, I listened carefully. Slowly, my days felt calmer. My mind became clearer. And surprisingly, my learning improved. Because when you slow down, you begin to notice more. You understand more. You appreciate more. Now I understand something simple but powerful. Speed is useful sometimes, but constant speed can make life feel empty. Sometimes the best thing you can do is slow down and truly experience the moment you are living. Final thought: life is not a race that must always be fast. Some of the most beautiful moments appear when we slow down and pay attention. Ending line: keep learning English. Keep growing every day. And always remember, sometimes slowing down helps you see life more clearly.